I want to remove this undercut toolpath to my roughing toolpath. So go into your toolpath, go into passes, change this to don't allow grooving, and hit OK. And now it'll just cut the material and it won't do any kind of undercutting or anything like that. This is an error message you get when you do finishing passes a lot of times. Lead-Out has been modified due to a gouge with the remaining stock. It's a really easy fix. There's like a couple of options, but this one seems to be the best way. Go to linking and then click on radial extension. Hit OK. And now what the toolpath will do is it'll just come straight up and out.